Welcome to another Easy Build video, where you can learn how to build a professional grade website quickly and easily without any prior experience or coding required. I'll be adding new content to this channel on a regular basis, so if you want to keep up with the latest website building tips and tools, just click the like and subscribe buttons below the video. So the first step in building your new website will be registering a domain and setting up a hosting account. And I'm using a company called Namecheap. There's a lot of companies out there who you can buy a domain and hosting account from. A lot of good ones. I'm sure there's some bad ones as well. This is just who I personally use, so that's what I'll be using for this demonstration. Whichever company you go with, it's likely to be a very similar process, so feel free to use however you want to. If you do want to use Namecheap, there's some links below in the description. Feel free to click those and follow along. So the first thing you want to do is enter the domain that you want to see if it's available. And it tells you here whether it is or isn't available. If it's not, they'll probably have some recommendations below with different domain extensions. There are a lot of domain extensions available nowadays, so once you have your name picked out, just go ahead and add it to cart. And now they're going to want to sell you some extras, which I suggest not adding anything at this moment from here. We are going to have to add hosting, just not from this particular screen here. They have what we call shared hosting and WordPress hosting. I'm not going to go through all these, but it's tempting to get this WordPress hosting here. However, I do not recommend it. It is a faster install for beginners or somebody with no experience. It eliminates some steps. However, you have to pay extra if you want business email, such as support@yourdomain.com or your name at yourdomain.com. You're going to have to pay extra for that feature if you use managed WordPress hosting. I'm going to recommend the shared hosting here. There's a few more steps, but we're going to cover it in this video, so you're good to go. All right, they offer a discount if you pay a year in advance. That's up to you. I'm going with the monthly deal for right now. Regarding your plan, if you're just building one website, this first option is probably fine. They have 30 mailboxes available. That's what I was just talking about, which is probably fine for most people. The only thing on this middle plan, I have an auto backup feature, which would be nice. And they also have unmetered SSD, which is your disk usage, storage space, basically. I'm going to go with that. I have a lot of videos to upload, so I am using this particular plan here. And since we've previously added that domain to the cart, it's going to pop up here because you have to connect your hosting plan with a domain name. So if you have an existing domain, you can use it. It's fine. If you want to use your new one, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add the hosting plan to the cart. I don't get any of these extra services. We don't need that. I want my hosting and domain to auto-renew, so I don't have to worry about it. If you do not auto-renew and you miss a payment, your website, you're going to lose your website. So it's up to you on those settings. So next, you're going to confirm order, and then you'll enter all your payment information, and we'll go from there. Once you've entered your payment details, now you want to navigate to your dashboard in your Namecheap account. And if you don't see it right away, you can simply go up here, or if you're not redirected there right away, you can go up to your account link up here and just click dashboard. and we're already there, so it's already showing that. And in my account, I have multiple domains. Your account is probably not going to look like this. You can see here, this is the domain that I just registered along with a new hosting account, which is what this little emblem or symbol stands for. And a quick note before we start installing WordPress, right here by these little red emblems, this indicates your SSL certificate status. On a brand new domain, that usually takes a little bit. You might have a yellow alert symbol, which is absolutely normal. So don't get alarmed if you see that. You might just give it 10 or 20 minutes and then come back and go from there.
If you want to learn how to quickly and easily build your own website or online store from start to finish, join us at easybuild.works. Hope to see you there.